Imagine a Lamborghini Sian, a Bugatti Divo, a BMW CSL, and even a Lykan Hypersport in CPM.
Jesus is Lord!
Would be crazy, right?
Bruh.
Well, today, my friend, I have some good and bad news for you. The good news are, these cars do exist in the game.
I smell cap.
And the bad news are, they're on the modded version, not on the official app that you can find on Google Play Store. This mod have got all the Lamborghinis that have been removed from the game, the old map and its locations, and finally the new cars that have been added, starting off with the Lykan Hypersport that was in Fast and Furious.
Lykan Hypersport?
The 2020 Bugatti Divo. There's only 40 of these that were made in real life. The most wanted BMW CSL. In real life, this is the most expensive BMW ever made. And last but not least, we have the Lamborghini Sian, the most badass looking Lamborghini ever made. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering how much these cars cost. They are free. Let me explain. You see, when you download this mod, it'll come with $50 million, 39,000 coins, and all the cars are unlocked. I'll show you guys a detailed tutorial of how you can actually download this mod in a second. But first, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support. Comment shout out if you also want a shout out on the next video. Just like all the other mods, this mod also have its own servers, which means you can't really play with your friends if they're playing on the official car parking multiplayer. And there aren't a lot of active players, but on the bright side, you can buy the W16 engine, all the houses are unlocked, and all the cars have the police siren. To download this mod, you'll have to open your Google Play Store, download Telegram, fill in the blank spaces to create your account. Once you're done, you're going to press the search icon on the top right corner and search for CPM car mods. You're then going to join the group chat and click on the file that I shared to download this mod. But before you download it, you must delete the official CPM, because you can't have both the mod and the real CPM both installed at the same time. You can also click the link on the description, and it'll take you straight to the group chat, where you can download the mod. If you've made it this far, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.